Okay, hi everyone, my name is Tracey from DC Innovation, and today I have the pleasure of introducing the MyManu Clik S headphones. So these just landed on my desk. They are incredibly high quality pair of headphones with HD music audio and live audio translation to 37 languages. Comes with the app. They are compatible with probably every Bluetooth enabled device going. I've got my motherboard to connect to them, I've got my phone and everything else to connect to them as well. So they come in this gorgeous little case, and it's got a really nice weight to it. It's also their charging case. As you can see, the logo's on the outside here. Really nicely finished piece of kit. Got a USB-C port on the back here that charges the case, which will then charge the headphones which are inside. It's got a really nice magnetic close to it, and when you open it and pick the headphones up, you pop them in, they automatically connect to your phone and your audio device. They pair with each other as well, and then you stop and start the music by tapping on the button there. There's a number of other functions that they use as well. It's really great when you finish using them, you just pop them straight back in the box. They magnetically click back into place, hence the name Clik. And then that closes, and you can see the charge level on the phone, on the box itself. So this is showing you that there's plenty of charge left in there. I've worn these a few times now, taken them out and about. The quality is incredible, and knowing Danny Manu at MyManu, he used to be a sound producer in the music industry, so he has very high standards for quality of the audio, and he'll probably have some very high value, high level audio drivers in there, probably balanced armature drivers. And yeah, so very high quality piece of kit. At the moment they're 40% off as well, so definitely worth having a look at and considering if you are looking for a pair of Bluetooth headphones. They're water resistant as well, and they fit really snugly in your ears, and they'll stay in there for a long time. So yeah, get in touch or have a look at the website to see for more information.